Hello lovely people, I hope all of you are safe, and I also know that this video is coming in late, and I'm really sorry for that because it took me more than usual to shoot this video because I wanted to give my best shot at it. But now that we are here, let's start, shall we? Please spare me, I think you might be getting some noise from the construction that's going on next door. It's going on 24/7, so I can't really help it, so please bear with me. Ladies and gentlemen, today we'll be talking about this particular helmet, the MT Revenge Binomi. We'll talk extensively about this, covering all its features, its advantages, its price, where this helmet can do better, where you can get it from, and the works. But before talking about the helmet, let's talk about the company that manufactures this helmet, MT. MT stands for Manufacturers Thomas. The company is one of the most reputed ones in Spain, and it produces helmets which are best in class, lightweight and yet affordable. All the helmets manufactured by MT are DOT and ECE certified, which are the best safety standards in the world, and these helmets are marketed in India by Spartan Pro Gear. Now let's talk about my helmet in particular. This one is the MT Revenge Binomi helmet. The MT Revenge Binomi looks cynical and is a typical bad boy out there. Not just by looks, but it has got dual certifications, ECE R22.05 Europe and DOT US approval. And if that wasn't enough, it has got 5-star shell rating as well. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a video on these certifications, because it's a vast topic out there, so let's not club that over here. Now let's discuss the features of this helmet one by one. First, let's talk about the shell. The shell is made up of HIRP, high impact resistance polymer, which makes the shell lightweight yet impact resisting. The most interesting feature of this helmet is that it comes in multiple shell sizes rather than a single shell size, and this enables customized fit to your head. Again, ECE R22.05 and DOT approved. Moving on to the visor of this helmet. Upon purchase, you get this clear visor with the helmet, and I ordered this smoke visor as an add-on. It looks sick and it also protects me from the harmful UV rays, but at the same time it does not block your visibility. The visor is pin lock ready and has max vision from edge to edge. You can also attach or detach anti-fog inserts very easily for enhanced visibility during fog or rain. MT's quick release system enables removing and attaching the visor very effortless. Moving on to the interiors of the helmet. First in class, multi-density inner EPS designed for better impact absorption. Anti-allergic and anti-wicking fabric given inside the inner linings help absorb perspiration from the skin. Easily removable and washable interiors help you keep your helmet clean and odor free. The most important part is it comes with embedded speaker pockets for Bluetooth communication systems. Apart from this, a few other safety features include a reflective detail on the rear of the neck roll, and also they give you D-ring straps to fasten your helmet, probably the safest way to fasten your helmets. In case you do not know how to fasten a D-ring strap, I have already done a video on it. I have linked it in the cards right here. You can go ahead and check out if you are new to this. So we talked about all the good features of the helmet, but where can this helmet actually improve? In my extensive use of 3+ years, I found out that whenever you shut down your visor, you get a constant whistling noise, and this might add to dizziness while you are riding long distances. The second drawback I found out in this helmet is that the quick release system is not as smooth as they claim it to be. It puts a decent amount of pressure on your fingers while you remove your helmet visor. Apart from that, this is killer stuff. Talking about the price of this helmet, with all the features that this helmet provides, it comes at a price tag of 7,990 INR, and the smoke visor that I got as an add-on cost me somewhere around 1100 INR, which is pretty decent. Good news is MT has come up with an improvised iteration of the Revenge series as their new Revenge 2 series at the same price point. So go grab one. Where can you get it from? Well, I got this helmet back in 2017 when there were no riding gear stores in Odisha. Suman, Papavili and I were colleagues back then. Yes, we worked in the same company and we used to get most of our riding gears from storeforriders.com. But now that Suman has his own riding gear store, Moto Armor Depot, MAD, you can go and check out the store and grab your helmet from his store. And if you are not from Odisha, you can always visit storeforriders.com or spartanprogear.com and get your helmet. They are equally safe. I'll put the links to their websites in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. That's about it for the video, and I hope I have helped you in getting a decent review of the MT Revenge Binomi helmet, because I searched the internet on YouTube. There are first impressions of this helmet but not a decent extensive ownership review. I hope I served the purpose, and if you found this video useful, then do not leave the video without subscribing to my channel. Also, drop in your suggestions in the comment box. I'm looking forward to reading all of your lovely comments. Now the drill. In case you want to reach out to me for any queries or promotions, write to me on the below email ID or simply hit me up on Instagram. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.